Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. Today we are talking about the best smart meat thermometer that can completely change the way you cook at home. If you want perfect results without guessing or cutting into your food, this smart tool might be exactly what you need in your kitchen. Let's get started. The product we are featuring is the Thermometer WT07 Smart Meat Thermometer. This device is designed to give you precise temperature control with modern wireless freedom. One of the most impressive things about the Thermometer WT07 Smart Meat Thermometer is its sub-1G connectivity. It offers an incredible range of up to 3,000 feet in open spaces and about 700 feet in areas with walls or obstacles. That means you can move around your home or backyard without losing connection. You do not have to stand next to the grill or oven the whole time. The Thermometer WT07 Smart Meat Thermometer also comes with a smart display base. This base shows real-time temperature readings clearly on the screen. You can even set your target temperature directly from the base. This is very helpful because you are not forced to use your phone for every adjustment. If you prefer using your phone, there is also a dedicated app that connects smoothly with the device. It gives you another easy way to monitor and control your cooking. Wireless freedom is another big advantage. With built-in Bluetooth support, the Thermometer WT07 Smart Meat Thermometer gives you a clean and tangle-free setup. There are no messy wires getting in the way while you cook. You can walk around, prepare other dishes, or relax while still keeping an eye on the temperature. Accuracy is where the Thermometer WT07 Smart Meat Thermometer truly shines. It is equipped with 6 NIST-certified sensors. These sensors deliver readings with plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision and an impressive 0.01 degree resolution. In simple terms, this means you get extremely accurate results. When cooking meat, even a small temperature difference can change the texture. With this level of precision, you can cook your food exactly the way you want it. The thermometer also includes 2 ultra-thin probes. This allows you to monitor 2 different dishes at the same time. You could track a steak and a chicken breast together without switching devices. The probes are designed to be slim, so they do not damage the texture of your food. They help keep your meat juicy and tender while still giving you reliable temperature readings. In terms of design, the Thermometer WT07 Smart Meat Thermometer looks modern and practical. The display base is clean and easy to read. The probes feel strong yet refined. Everything about the design focuses on making cooking simpler and more precise. It blends advanced technology with everyday convenience in a very smooth way. The Thermometer WT07 Smart Meat Thermometer combines long-range connectivity, a smart display base, Bluetooth freedom, 6 high-precision sensors, and dual ultra-thin probes into one powerful cooking tool. It helps remove guesswork and gives you more confidence in the kitchen. Cooking just got smarter. If you want to upgrade your kitchen tools, this could be a great addition. Check the price link in the description and do not forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more amazing finds. See you in the next video.